Hi, Kelly Haydel with Haydel's Game Calls. If you're looking for an easy to use, loud turkey locator call, then the PW90 Pileated Woodpecker Call is the call for you. This call is loud. It has a piercing sound of a pileated woodpecker. For me to do this call, I'm simply going to go T-T-T-T-T into the call like this. I'll do it again. I'm rising and then also lowering in pitch. T-T-T-T-T-T-T-T. This is an extremely effective call when your other locator calls aren't working or you've got a lot of foliage on the trees. This call will pierce through the woods and it'll get those turkeys to gobble. That's the PW90 Pileated Woodpecker Call. Check it out on our website and check us out on Facebook.